Oh no! You almost got it. Sorry, brother. Yes. What? How cool is that? Wow. Can you make it go again?
Yeah.
Thank you, bro. Go ahead. Yeah. Can you say future billionaire? He's like, that's me. What is this thing? It's the B1, huh?
Yeah, B1. They have that is O1 and B1.
Oh my god. And it's warming up?
Yeah.
How cool is that?
Start off. You have a fan controller inside.
Okay. And what's it gonna do? Is it gonna jump to life? Oh shit. Okay, I spoke too soon. Oh my god. This thing is the fucking future. Are you fucking for real right now, dude? That thing's almost creepy. Look at him. It's like your own dog, bro. But about 4 feet tall. How cool is that? Thanks, B1. How are you? Oh my god. Dude, like, share, and subscribe.